Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Suicune in Pokémon Unite. Suicune is a powerful ranged all-rounder, perfect for controlling the flow of battle. Your main goal is to drench and freeze opponents, creating openings for your team. By mastering its unique abilities, you can consistently disrupt enemy formations and secure crucial knockouts. This Pokémon thrives on strategic positioning and precise ability usage, making it a formidable presence on the battlefield. For Suicune, the optimal moveset involves Whirlpool and Ice Beam. Whirlpool creates a vortex that pulls enemies in and drenches them, while Ice Beam delivers long-range damage, slows, and freezes drenched targets. To maximize your impact, equip Wise Glasses, Choice Specs, and Slick Spoon to significantly boost your special attack. The eject button is your go-to-battle item, offering vital mobility for engaging or disengaging from fights. In the early game, focus on safely farming wild Pokémon to reach level 4 as fast as possible. Start with Water Pulse to poke at enemies from a distance, applying the Drench status. Follow up with Avalanche to slow and freeze drenched opponents, enabling powerful boosted attacks. This combination allows you to harass enemies effectively, secure lane experience, and establish an early advantage for your team. During mid to late game, your role is to control team fights. Initiate by drenching enemies with Whirlpool, then immediately follow with Ice Beam to freeze them. Always maintain a safe position behind your front line, using your abilities to zone out opponents. Your Unite move, Endless Ice Spikes, is excellent for clearing debuffs and freezing multiple enemies, turning the tide of battle. Remember to consistently use boosted attacks on frozen targets for massive damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.